Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How do you feel today? My expectation is well by the grace of Almighty Allah. All of you are welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Abir Hossain Khan, assistant teacher in mathematics at day shift of National ID English Version School. Today I am gonna take mathematics class for class 2, and our today's topic is word problem, page 49 and page 51, which is included your half yearly exam. And our today's lecture is 29 and our today's HW number 26, and you have to submit the word problem of 49 as your homework. Now my dear students, let's go to start our class. At 49 page, question number 1, how many legs do a cow have? How many legs do a cow have? We know that a cow has 4 legs. Then how many legs do 7 cows have altogether? How many legs do 7 cows have altogether? Therefore, one cow has 4 legs. Then 7 cows have 4 multiplied by 7 legs. Here 4 multiplied by 7. My dear students, you have to memorize the times table of 7s. 7 fours are, we know that 7 fours are 28. So 4 cows have 28 legs. And the record answer is 28 legs. My dear students, hope you understood this one. Now go to the next question, which is also the 49 page. A car has 4 wheels. How many wheels will be needed for 5 cars? A car has 4 wheels, so one car has 4 wheels. Therefore 5 cars have 4 multiplied by 5 wheels. Here 4 multiplied by 5. Again you have to memorize the times table of 5. You know that 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So 5 cars have 20 wheels. So the answer is 20 wheels. My dear students, hope you understood the word problem of page number 49. Now go to page number 51 and look, there is another word problem. Raju's father works 6 days in a week. How many days he work in 7 weeks? So Raju's father works 6 days in a week. We have to write Raju's father works in 1 week 6 days. Therefore, in 7 weeks, 6 multiplied by 7 days. So here 6 multiplied by 7. Now memorize the times tables of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 3 sevens are 21, 4 sevens are 28, 5 sevens are 35, 6 sevens are 42. So here 6 multiply 7, 6 sevens are 42 days. So Raju's father works 42 days in 7 weeks. So the answer is 42 days. My dear students, hope you understood this one. You have to submit your HW on page 49, question number 1 and question number 2. Practice at your home more and more. Take care of yourself, abide by your parents. See you soon and till then, Allah Hafiz.